Hi everyone! Recently, while editing some of my older videos, I discovered an important issue regarding monetization settings. When I clicked on the monetization settings for these videos, I encountered a message stating, "This video was uploaded with legacy monetization settings. Any edits will only offer the option to have pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads fully on or off." It turns out that non-skippable video ads were already unchecked and disabled for these videos. I couldn't enable them until I updated the policy. After updating, I was able to turn on non-skippable ads, and the changes were saved successfully. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you automatically have the option to add mid-roll ads, which you can choose to enable either automatically or manually. Since September 2019, non-skippable ads had been disabled on many of my old videos. I was surprised that I hadn't received any notifications or alerts in YouTube Studio about updating the monetization settings for these older videos. So I'm making this video to suggest that you also check the monetization settings of your old videos. By reviewing your analytics, you might find similar issues. I've checked 87 videos so far, and the majority of the old ones had non-skippable ads disabled. Unfortunately, there isn't a bulk update option for this, so I'm currently fixing these settings manually. For those of you who might be experiencing this issue, I hope this video helps you identify and update your settings. Since I started enabling non-skippable ads, they still haven't been active, but I'm hopeful that this will resolve the issue. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information useful. Have a great day.